It would be comical. So space battle, when it actually happens, when war actually happens in space, it is going to be, I don't know, it's going to be very interesting. I imagine it might be somewhat like warfare that happened on the high seas, if you will. I think piracy is one thing that science fiction gets right. I think there will be tons of piracy when humanity goes out and colonizes the stars and we start colonizing other planets and so forth. It's going to be a no man's land. There's nobody out there to police anything, and there's nobody to stop you. And until there is, it's going to be a rough time. It's going to be a rough time out there, and you're going to need to be prepared if you're going to make any sort of trek or journey. That being said, it's also going to be so perilous, especially with like early technology. It's going to be so perilous just to go from like Earth to Mars that it'll probably take a while to get to that point. But once somebody figures out how to game the system, there'll be rampant piracy. All the worst things you can imagine that humanity could do will start happening. It's inevitable. And that's what humanity has done historically in the past. When we've branched out from where we are, we do that sort of thing. Why do we do it? Why are we like this? It's a good question. I don't think I have the answer. There's this question. Not a question, but there's a statement that's posed that any species, I guess this is related to the Fermi paradox in a sense, any species that is able to colonize the galaxy may not in fact be a territorial species, because territorial species tend to compete with themselves. So humanity, we compete with each other over resources and land and all of those things. Maybe not so much anymore.